So today we will concentrate on Google Maps related. So as of now, we not like we discuss further topics right here. This is Google Map related. So how this Google Maps we will use in our application level, so that we can able to see here. So to use the Google Map here, so that some dependency will be here. So let's first we'll create a project and we'll go and we'll discuss on that part. So now I'm creating this new project. So I'll take this at here. Uh, Google Map example. So Google Map example, I'm creating this. So for this Google Map also here there is a some code. It should be here for that here support required from here. So how that support will come. So that is from here Google place Google's like how we use the Google Firebase console. It's similar to here. There is a console. So on the console, we have to create a project and all. So that's what we see here now. So just I'm searching here that Google Maps. Android. Okay, so directly I'm searching that key with Google Maps Android. So by clicking here now we can go and we can see whatever the code here for this we took that always you can take from the official website only. Because from the here lot of things will be aligned here, so that should go to the proper way. So first, but before going into this start, now what are the prices are applicable for Google Maps that we will see here. Now here I'm going to the pricing part. So in this pricing now here if we compare, like this is the postpaid, like in a month how many APIs calls use, based on that it will calculate, and how many APIs we use that will calculate and it will give the output. So for that here, first one here, see for every account, like I have signed up Google Map with my email ID. So with my email ID, so there will be a like every month I'll get the $20 as a discount. Means if I use $150, it should be free of cost. After that, whatever I used extra, that will be chargeable automatically from the credit card. So this is here now. There are in a map, there are different types of maps will be available. So the first one is the basic map, whatever the basic map. This is for Android, iOS, and website. So this is every 1,000 requests is $7. Means 7 into 8 almost means for each request it should be cost around 60 paise in our currency. It is a 60 paise for that. Then if you want to open the street view, like in the maps, there is a street view, right? If I open the street view, so that is around 120 pies per request. And next is the map tiles. Like just I want to 3D, 2D, like that kind of, if you do that, so that will be also, it will be around 50 to 60 pies per minute, sorry. Yeah, so now that is a map, that map tiles will be here, like in the maps, otherwise like aerial view. You want to create some aerial view that is $16. It is more than 1.5 pies per request. So map static view, this is $2. It is a very less price. And street view. So this is also same, almost it is this. Then other APIs here, routes API. So it is route API. So this is the navigation. In this, that routes, like I want from here to some other location I want to travel. So that is per 1,000 request. It is for free of cost. After that, it will be chargeable. So then here snaps the road, like road on the way nearest roads, so that you want to find out. So that will be here. That is a $10 means this is the lot of thing will come here in this pricing part. Next thing here, basic compute route, like multiple routes are there. So from the multiple routes, if you have to go that basic, advanced, preferred, so that is see based on that, your pricing also increasing here. And multiple places, if I give that, so that pricing also here. So fleet routing, single vehicle routing. So if you want to search for a single vehicle fleet routing, so this will be all of the different kind of prices here now. So the next year will be the places. So like I want to search a place, like I want to search Hyderabad, like SR Nagar, Amirpet, such kind of place I want to search. So I want to go that. So that will come, places will come auto complete, right? So that address validation could be here. This is a very costly, around 3 to 4 rupees per request it is. And the next auto, like while searching, it will come that, right? So that is also, it is will be the cost. And auto complete place, these are also costly APIs. Like latitude to longitude place conversion, that is $5 per 1,000. And location, like reverse location to lat lag, so that is also 5. And nearby search, so nearby restaurant, nearby petrol pump, if I search that, so that should be also a cost. So place details, so this is the, like I want to know some place details, this is also costly API only. Then text search, I want to search text here, preferred, I want in a preferred format, that is 40, is almost 7 to 8 rupees per request. So time zone, so like I want to set the time zone, so the time zone also will be costly here. Then I can go here. So this is the environment. So like air quality API and pollen API. So these are also like here buildings API data layers. So data layers, it is very too much, $75 means 75 into 75 approximately is 4,900 means 500 rupees per request. This is so that much of huge cost for this API is right. So, but in this normally we use some of the APIs. So to use the APIs here, first we have to go to the Google Maps console. From there it will start here. See how we will start. So this is the process here. We already created a project file. So, but here is the process here. How you have to go and what are the things it will be there here that we will have to see here. So for that here now, quick start. So here the maps SDK. First we have to set up the Android Studio project. So Android Studio project already we set up. So in this now we can see your version. So from here now we have to go to this console section. So from here I'm clicking on that. So it will go to the Google Firebase, Google Cloud Maps console. So in this console now, so in this console now, so here we can create a project, but until we can enable the billing, so until we can enable the billing, so we cannot create that keys. Once we can enable the billing, so here is we get an option to create an API key. So with that API key, normally we can access, we will put that API key in our project. So that way we can access the map until we cannot go to the map. But here now I show you that process, how that maps code will implement, that we will see here for next videos. So from here now, if we create a project here, so first of all here, like I want to display the basic map in here. So to display the basic map here, so Android Maps SDK. So this is the map SDK here. So here now we want to display a map with some place, so that I have to get here now. So this is the code, like this is already written. So this is the Google Map key we have to add in our manifest file. So this is the one. So we can go to the project. So there is our project. So this is our project here now. So sorry, here in a manifest file. So here in manifest file. Here now I have to add this. So here the map key. So whatever the map key will be provided by them. Just for the time being, I'm adding some random data. Like here, map key will be there. So that key we will add here. This. So once that is done, next step here now. Here we will take this. So this is not only we added. This is the one metadata. This we added here now. Then this is the fragment. So in XML, we will take the fragment here. So XML. So this is the entire application, entire XML, and change in here. I'll take as this is the Google Map fragment. So Google Map fragment. Then now we can go here. So next step, this is the Kotlin code. So this we will write in our application. So this is the maps API and it is. So these two lines we have to add that. So here now in this Excel, in this main activity here, now I'm adding that 2 lines of that. Right, once we added that here now. So this is not there now. So support map fragment. For this, there is a dependency is required. So now we'll add that dependency. So the dependency will be added. Once the dependency will update, we'll see here. Just a minute. Once this is done, that makes it good. Yeah, so that is done. Then further that here we have to go with the next level. So in this now we have to add this here. Just So here this is the method. So with this location we are getting here. So that here we will write that unmap ready method here. So that whenever it will run, so that will be extended here as this. So here now, so here we have to extend that here this. Uh, So here just I added that unmap ready method. So in unmap ready method, whatever we added here, right? With this lat lang, so that will be created on a map. So there is a icon will be created on the map. So this is what we have to do here now in this level. But until this Google Map key, we cannot run the map. But anyhow, if we try to run this, what happens we will see here. Even though if you want to load the map, we need an internet permission here. So we will add that internet users permission. So that is users permission. So that is internet. Just we will see that if it is done, what happens. Yeah. So for the Gradle dependence, we have to modify that 35. Then let us see that. So here for this also what extra added here now, if we can see here. So this Google Play service is added for this extra. That is only extra. See this program will run, but we cannot see the exact proper and exact map. Basic thing will display there. So now we can run this. See, it is launched, but the map cannot load until that API key should be updated. This will be like blank, it will be like this. So once that API key will be updated, that will be here. So this is the basic map displaying of this is done. So and that some of the other next level APIs like distance and places. So those and how to get current lat lang and that all we will see in tomorrow's class.